Welcome back, guys. Let's make a banana mango smoothie with only 3 ingredients. So you're going to need frozen mangoes, bananas, and yogurt. Just that. The reason I froze everything of mine is because I wanted my smoothie to be ice cold. But if you want yours to be room temperature, you can use your fruits at room temperature. You just have to slice up your bananas, freeze them, slice up your mangoes and freeze them too. So I first blended my yogurt to take it back to that creamy texture, and then I added in my bananas, and now I'm going to blend the whole thing together. So this is how the smoothie looks like after. Now here we have bananas and yogurt. It's time to add in our mangoes to give it that orange color that you saw at the beginning of the video. Put in your mangoes and blend until everything is blended well together. Our smoothie is ready, so now we are going to pour it in a glass and take it. As you can see here, my smoothie is very thick, but if you want yours less thick than this, you just have to add ice cubes to your blender when you're blending and it will be less thick. I just wanted mine thick and ice cold. So that is it, guys. That's how you make a banana mango smoothie with only 3 ingredients at home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, like, comment, share, and you could also leave in the comment section below any smoothies that you'd like me to do, any flavors of smoothies that you like, your favorite smoothie. You can leave all that in the comment section below. I'll be reading your comments and replying back. Thank you very much. Catch you next time.